The first things you'll want to do is to understand the capabilities of the different types of technology. You want to consider that when you're setting up an assignment, a way that you want to communicate some content to your students. If you want to use video capture software or PowerPoint presentation with VoiceOver, or another format with Keynote, another program for the Mac side, and uploading videos to YouTube. If those are the types of things you want to do, if you want to do polling type questions through cell phone or through computer based, I really want to understand what technology can do and can it be played back. Like, for example, with the mobile devices and tablet computing, what sort of technologies are cross-platform? And those are the types of things that you'll want to go and spend your time learning and using, because those forms of technology can be accessed on any platform and makes it easier for your students. You'll see some of that as you go through the program, different applications that we will use and you will actually use and integrate as part of your assignments. I think this is a big piece to really understand and know the limitations as well as the capabilities of the technology. That'll really affect your presentations and communicating, because you don't want to spend a ton of time with a program that has a real steep learning curve, for example, like Final Cut Pro, for example. For most of us who are teaching and things like that, we really don't have time to learn an expensive, detailed, high learning curve type of program like that, but something maybe more like a Camtasia or iMovie or Adobe Captivate may be a little bit simpler to use, or even Jing Pro or Snagit. Those types of things can kind of get you bogged down if you get too far deep in the weeds on some of the technology. So you really want to carefully consider, network, talk with others, talk with your colleagues, professors, and those in the field that are using the technology that can really help point you in the right direction too, as well as the different emerging technologies that are coming on that you may want to consider using as well.